Is it a seal or a dog? And it's done by Monique Macedo dos Santos. Uh,
That's a super cute picture.
uh, the eyes.
Right. I mean, don't
The more you look,
I want
the
to
more
see
I look at
I
it,
want
the
to see
more.
your eyes. When you are being squished through. I'm guessing that's a couch cushion.
Yep.
You know, put your head through a couch cushion and take a picture and let me see what your eyes look like.